Would you believe me if I told you I'm the only one in Canada that has the new Untangle Arista W8 device? I do. Special thanks to Brandy and Scott for making this happen. I really appreciate it. It is an actual honor that I get to get these devices and review them and talk about them. So I'm going to do a small review and series of what the box can do. Lots of testing, lots of pictures and showing what people are. I'm going to post a video in the forum and I'm going to ask people if they have anything they want me to test so I can do it live and show them. But for today, I'm just going to do an unboxing, go through some quick specs, and go from there. And then after that, we'll set it up in the next video. I actually went out and also bought some, I don't even know how to really say these guys, 10G Tech SFP modules. The reason why I bought these is because it's compatible with my Aruba switch over there. Not this one, but the one up in my other rack that has 10 gig uplinks, because that was one thing that really sold me on this, is it's got 10 gig SFP slots. So yeah, wait a second. You subscribe to my channel? Please do so and like the video. So anyways, let's put those down. Let's grab my dollar store X-Acto knife and let's have a look at this thing. Now, I don't know if this is gonna be white or green, but let's just see here. Somebody did post a picture on the Untangle Facebook group of the, what was that thing called? It's called the, hold on. I have it surfing right here. It was called the W4, which is really small. And the W8 says it's supposed to be green. Oh yeah, it's green. Got a big box. We'll go over that, what's in there in a second. We got the famous, awesome, easy to follow W8 guide. So what should we expect in this box? We should expect a 12 volt power adapter, 2 power adapters, a 54 volt adapter for the PoE Plus. Oh yes, that's right. It's got PoE ports 7 and 8 or PoE Plus ports, so you can add in the Arista access points and power off of this. That's a really cool feature. I really like that. It's awesome. Rubber feet. I wonder if it has fans in it. Maybe the rubber feet's... Okay, we'll find out. 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Must be in this box. The appliance. And a micro USB cable. Okay. And then the getting started guide, just like how the other ones start up. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's going to be the same. So, let's get to the meat and potatoes. This thing is green. Look at that. And it matches my shirt too. All right, let's take the box. We don't need the box. We just need this one. Wow, this is nice. It's metal too. It's not even plastic. That's nice. I like that. I'm gonna have to keep the box contents. I think we have to send this back. So I think I might see if Brandy or Scott might say, hey, you should keep that device. We'll see. We'll see. Look at that, guys. Holy. That's nice, guys. That is really, really nice hardware. I like that. That's pretty slick. Oh yeah. Okay, so the 12 volt barrel uses a 12 volt barrel and the other one uses a 4-pin. Okay, okay. That looks pretty nice, eh? What do you guys think? See if that focuses on that instead of my face. How about we try that? Look at that, eh? Huh, okay. So we got the box. That's really nice. I like that. Let's throw that over there. As you guys can see, we're in my new room. I spent the weekend painting and I set up my new desk and I got a new desk here. Oh. Here's our feet. Let's put those on. Let's put those on before I forget. Let's do that. Got our rubber feet. Okay. Oh, they even got circles on the bottom of this appliance for where the feet go. Little indents there, so let's put those on there. Okay. Yep, and I'm wearing my red, nice Timmy's Canadian hat because I want to. And because I got hardly any hair on top of my head. So anyways, there, we got that done. That looks nice. Yep, 2 power adapters, micro USB cable. Yep, switching power supplies. So we got 2 of those. Oh, there's our antennas. Let's grab that. Let's put this off to the side. Okay, let's see here. It's kind of weird that they left these white and didn't paint them green. So I wonder if the new Arista ones later on in the future will be all white, since everything at Arista is white. So maybe they'll do that. Don't know. Look at that. That looks nice. Huh. What do you guys think of that? What do you think? It's nice, eh? Got our feet on the bottom. Okay, so let's take one of these SFP modules and throw it in there so I remember how to do that later, or remember to do it later. So on the SFP modules, we have port 5 and 6. I don't know if those are assignable, but I'm going to assume yes, because we'll want to use one for WAN and one for LAN. Plug that in there just like that. Okay. So let's go over a couple specs. What do we got for specs here? I don't remember everything, so I have to read it off. So what do we got here? We have the user's recommended is 25 to 75. Maximum recommended devices up to 250. That's pretty good. It's a quad core Atom C3558. And I believe that's very close to or similar or even the exact model that I run at home here. And it handles a gigabit internet with tons of devices on it just fine. This one's got 8 gigs of RAM. And it's got 128 gig SATA DOM. 2 USB ports, wireless BGNAC multi-mode with beam forming. That'd be cool to play with. 2 external antennas. Built-in LCD. Nah, we don't need that, do we? It's got mini USB and RJ45 serial. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. There is no VGA or serial or VGA or what am I looking for? HDMI output on this. So guess who's going to have to learn how to reload one of these things soon and configure it if I ever have to? Me. I wonder how hard it is to take the top off of this. I just so happen to have. Nope. No, I don't. Got us a screwdriver. Screws are going to fall out, guys. Let's see what it looks like in here. Hopefully we don't get in trouble for this. 1 screw. It's got this little door on the side. I don't know if you guys will see that or not, right? My face is in the way, sorry. Did it zoom? Nope, I don't think it will. Got a little door on the side. What's that for, I wonder? What do you got in here, little guy? Okay, what's inside? Ooh. Ha! That is very, very nice inside. That, yeah, I like that. That looks like a, just, I can't see anything. ScanDisk SATA DOM. It's got upgradable RAM inside. Look at this, guys. It's got a little micro fan and everything. Little tiny cute heatsink because it's got a little Atom in there. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's got an M.2 slot right there. So I don't know if that could... Interesting. Yeah, it's got a little fan. I'm curious to see how loud this is going to be. I'm going to have to put up a picture of this. Show you guys what it looks like in the forums there. I'm not firing it up today. Sorry. I want to do a little bit of reading on it. But yeah, as you can tell, that's really nice laid out. And you can see that the RAM right here is removable. It looks like SODIMM RAM. I don't know if it's DDR4 or not. Yep, DDR4 2400. Never heard of InnoDisk RAM, but if they put it in here, it must be good. And Arista makes the hardware, so yeah, that would be definitely good. So I'm gonna put this back together because it's not mine. I don't want to break it. Don't tell anybody that I did this. And yeah, I'm gonna power it up the next couple of days. So hopefully you like this part of the quick little video that I did. And if you have any questions or anything you want me to try on this, you let me know. And please like and subscribe. I'm at 410 subscribers, and it's growing. So you guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Oh, and thanks, Brandy and Scott. You guys rock.